I'm Emil from Town & Country Truck here in Kent, Washington. Today I'd like to show you this 2001 Dodge Ram 3500 four-wheel drive, 1-ton with a steel gravel body on it. It's got the 5.9 Cummins turbo diesel, automatic transmission, steering, brakes, air conditioning, power windows, power seats, cruise and tilt. It's got everything you need. 6 brand new tires on this truck. 86,000 miles, barely broke in. Very nice truck all the way through. This little Dodge has got 6 brand new mud and snow grip tires all the way around. This Dodge also has a 2.5 to 3 yard capacity steel, all steel dump body. It's a heavy duty model with fold down sides and a heavy duty tailgate. Electric hydraulic, real easy to operate. Then it's gravity down. This 01 Dodge with a 5.9 Cummins also has a heavy duty tailgate on this little dump body, plus a very well made hitch system. This 2001 Dodge four-wheel drive has the Laramie SLT package. It's got a really nice fabric interior. It's got a fold-down area here where you can do your paperwork. It's got tilt and cruise, automatic transmission. It's got a nice little stereo in it with a CD player and a tape player also. And it's got a high and low selector for your four-wheel drive. Hi, at this time I'd like to tell you a little bit about our financing programs. We not only have traditional bank loans, but we also do business lease-to-own programs with dollar buyouts. You can elect to do a traditional 10% buyout or a dollar buyout, whichever makes the most sense for your business. We also have finance company financing for trucks as well as trailers, and we can do credit card transactions, Visa, MasterCharge, Discover, and also American Express. Whatever makes the most sense for your financing needs, we can take care of it.